in an emergency, sometimes it's important to be able to keep a casualty warm, and these items are really useful for that. These particular ones are carried by team members. They're made by Blizzard, a Blizzard survival jacket and a Blizzard survival bag. They all do a very similar job. They have a reflective foil on the inside, which reflects heat back into the body. They're very lightweight, and the advantage, certainly of the jacket, is that you can put it over your normal equipment, your normal clothing, and it will keep you warm, and also it will keep you mobile. Something maybe to do out of the wind so that you don't lose it flying over the top of the Kinder Plateau. You can see on the inside reflective foil. This will turn you into a Christmas turkey. And I may have put that on back to front. So this piece of equipment is made by Blizzard. It's gone over my main clothes. It's very warm, it's very comfortable, and they really are excellent if the situation gets worse for you or your party. So the jacket isn't very stylish, and it's certainly very noisy, but it does keep you really surprisingly warm, and it'll also keep you dry if it starts to rain. Not very stylish, as I say, but it's good for the job.